A step-by-step guide to install a pendant light. Bringing a pendant light into your space can be an upgrade for the overall aesthetics of the house. While the prospect of installing a pendant light may initially appear daunting, fear not. With the right guidance, achieving a professional-looking result is well within your grasp. If you're ready to enhance your space with a stylish and luminous touch, Rowabi's guide is your go-to resource for achieving a seamless and hassle-free installation. Let's illuminate your space together with confidence and precision. Preparation before installing a pendant light. Preparation holds utmost significance in this task, as you need to ensure you have all the necessary materials, tools, and a grasp of the basics. Allow us to guide you on how to seamlessly navigate through these crucial things. Materials. Pendant light. Ensure you have the pendant fixture, a key element in illuminating your space with style. Wire nuts. Include wire nuts in your toolkit, as these small but crucial connectors play a vital role in establishing secure and reliable electrical connections. Tools. Equipment. Voltage tester. A voltage tester is a crucial safety tool that ensures the power is turned off before you begin the installation process. It helps to confirm that there is no electrical current running through the wires, providing a safe environment for handling the fixtures and wires. Ladder, if needed. Depending on the height of the installation location, a ladder may be necessary to reach and work comfortably. Using the appropriate equipment, like a ladder, ensures stability and minimizes the risk of accidents during the installation process. Screwdriver. This tool will be used for various aspects of the installation, including securing the mounting bracket, attaching the pendant fixture, and potentially removing an old fixture if applicable. It is a fundamental tool for any DIY electrical project. Wire stripper or combination tool. These tools are essential for preparing the electrical wires by removing the insulation. The wire stripper ensures clean and precise cuts, allowing for secure connections between the house wiring and the pendant fixture. Level. A level is crucial to ensure that your pendant light hangs straight and aligns perfectly with the aesthetics of your space. This tool helps achieve a professional and polished look by preventing any tilting or uneven positioning. Coat hanger fashioned into an S-hook, if needed. In some cases, especially when working alone, an S-hook made from a coat hanger can be a handy tool. It assists in holding the pendant fixture in place during installation. The preparation steps. Prepare your fixture. Initiate the installation process by unwrapping the components of your pendant light package. Organize each part systematically, ensuring accessibility during the installation for a hassle-free experience. Ensure power safety. Prioritize safety by switching off the power in the designated area or room before diving into the installation. This precaution creates a secure environment for a smooth and worry-free process. Say goodbye to the old fixture. In the case of a recent renovation or a new home, parting ways with an old fixture may be necessary. Navigate this transition with the following steps. Detach the old fixture. The removal method varies by fixture type, but having an extra set of hands to hold the fixture while detaching prevents accidental drops. Remove old wire connectors. Identify and twist counterclockwise the small plastic caps covering connections between house wiring and fixture wires for efficient removal. Utilize a voltage checker. Prior to wire disconnection, employ a standard voltage checker to ensure a safe environment by confirming the absence of electricity in the wires. Disconnect electrical wires. Safely disconnect the electrical wires, and if applicable, remove additional components like trim or base.